Now in order to mark room location, we have to know the direction of the plot. For proper plot direction, we have to make a site visit to the plot location. And with the help of a compass, we can measure the inclination of north direction from the front direction of the house. Inclination for our plot comes out to be 95 degrees from the front line. Instead of a compass, we can also use mobile to measure the inclination through compass app. Move the phone in the north direction. Tap to start measuring the angle. Move it to the front direction of the house. This is also give us 95 degree angle. There is also a teardrop method to measure inclination through Google Maps. Look at the exact position of plot on map. It will give us a rough direction. Use this method only when the client has no idea about direction of the plot, as well as you are not able to visit the site due to some constraints. Now, once we have direction data of the plot, we can start locating the room location. So let's move on to AutoCAD. Open AutoCAD.